Welcome to Sergio Creativity.
The Finnish logic of space. Locative cases. Welcome. In this session, we are going to learn how to orient ourselves in the Finnish world. In Finnish, we don't have separate little words like in, on, to, or from sitting in front of nouns. Instead, we have hooks that we glue onto the end of the word. Don't try to memorize, just follow the logic. If you need a moment to think, just hit the pause button. Part 1. The container versus the surface. Teacher. Finnish logic divides the world into two types of places: things you are inside, like a room, and things you are on, like a flat surface or an open area. Let's take the word for market square, tori. Since it's an open space, we are on it. The hook for on is la. Student, how do you say at the market? Torilla. Good. Now take the word for library, kirjasto. A library is a building, so you are inside it. The hook for in is sa. Student, how do you say in the library? Kirjastossa. Perfect. Now, let's learn how to move. In Finnish, every place has a three-way logic: being there, coming from there, and going to there. Part 2. The inside family, the S-hooks. Teacher. Let's stay in the library, kirjasto. We know in the library is kirjastossa. If you want to say you are coming from inside the library, we just change the last letter. Instead of sa, we use sta. Student, how do you say from the library? Kirjastosta. Now, to go into the library, the logic is different. You take the last vowel and double it, then add an N. It's like the word is opening its doors to let you in. So, kirjasto becomes kirjaston. Student, try to say into the library. Kirjaston. Brilliant. Let's try the word for house, talo. Student, tell me, I am in the house. I am is olen. Olen talossa. I come from the house. I come is tulen. Tulen talosta. I go into the house. I go is menen. Menen talon. Part 3. The on-at family, the L-hooks. Now let's go back to our open space, the market, tori. We know at the market is torilla. To say from the market, we change the la to lalta. Student, how do you say from the market? Torilta. And to the market, the hook is le. Student, say to the market. Torille. Excellent. Let's try a bridge, silta. It's an open surface. Student, tell me, I am on the bridge. Olen sillalla. Notice how the T becomes an L because the word gets crowded? That's gradation. Silta becomes sillalla. I come from the bridge. Tulen sillalta. I go to the bridge. Menen sillalle. Part 4. Vowel harmony logic. Remember, our rule, Finnish is a musical language. If a word has dotted vowels, like a or the hooks must also have dots. The word for forest is Missä. Student, how would you say in the forest? Use the dotted version of sa. Metsässä. And from the forest? Metsästä. Perfect. Part 5. The verb logic, mennä versus käydä. Teacher, finally, there is a logic to the verbs. If you are going to a place and staying there for a while, we use mennä, to go. It usually pairs with the into or to hook. Student, I go into the forest. Menen metsään. Teacher, you doubled the vowel and added N. Perfect. Now, but if you are just visiting or going and coming, we use käydä. This verb is strange. It pairs with the staying hook, sa. Student, try to say, I visit the pharmacy. Pharmacy is apteekki. Käyn apteekissa. Let's do a final logic check. You are inside a cafe, kahvila. I am in the cafe. Olen kahvilassa. You are leaving the station, asema. I come from the station, outer space logic. Tulen asemalta. You are entering a museum, museo. I go into the museum. Menen museoon. Outstanding! You aren't just memorizing endings, you're seeing the world through Finnish logic. You now know how to get in, get out, and stay put. Nähdään pian. See you soon.